When the stone rolled away, so did your defeat. The stone didn't just roll away from Jesus' tomb, it rolled off your destiny. It rolled off your shame, your addiction, your past, your fear, your defeat. That stone wasn't just an obstacle, it was a symbol of everything that tried to bury you. And when God moved it, he was announcing to heaven, earth, and hell, defeat is over, victory has begun. You can preach all the sermons you want, wear all the robes you like, recite rituals or memorize laws, but if you ignore the rolled stone, you're still living like death won. Islam honors a prophet who died. Catholicism glorifies saints who stayed buried. But Christianity, true, biblical, unfiltered Christianity, stands on an empty tomb, a moved stone. And that stone didn't roll by accident, it was heaven's exclamation point. To the skeptic, if Jesus stayed dead, why is the tomb empty? Why didn't the Roman guards stop the resurrection hoax? Why didn't the Jewish leaders parade his corpse to silence the early church? You want logic? Here it is. They couldn't. Because he wasn't there. Because when God rolls the stone, no man, demon, or institution can roll it back. To the religious leader hiding behind titles and tradition, do your followers know what happened when that stone moved? Or do you keep them buried beneath rules and fear? God didn't send his Son to improve tombs. He sent him to empty them. When Jesus died, every sin, every failure, every hopeless situation was buried with him. And when he rose, he didn't carry defeat out of the grave. He left it there. The resurrection wasn't just a personal victory, it was a public declaration. Death is broken, defeat is finished, the stone is rolled away. But the tragedy is this. Many still live like it's sealed. They walk around with resurrection power available, but grave clothes still wrapped around their minds. You're not stuck because Jesus failed. You're stuck because you haven't walked out. When the angel rolled the stone away, it wasn't to let Jesus out. It was to let you in, to see, to witness, to believe, to know that what buried you yesterday has no hold on your tomorrow. Your addiction? Rolled away. Your shame? Rolled away. Your fear of death? Rolled away. Your generational curse? Rolled away. Your spiritual blindness? Rolled away. Your religious bondage? Rolled away. Every lie hell told you about your worth, your future, your salvation? Rolled away. Jesus didn't come out of that tomb limping. He didn't need help. He walked out alive, triumphant, undefeated. And if he's in you, then so are you. You say, but I'm too broken. He was broken first, and he rose. You say, but I've failed too many times. The stone is rolled away anyway. You say, but I don't feel worthy. Your feelings didn't roll the stone. God did. To every imam, priest, and pastor who minimizes the resurrection to a metaphor or a seasonal sermon, repent. This isn't a symbol. This is the supernatural invasion of death's domain. This is the moment hell lost. This is the reason demons tremble, why Satan can't accuse you, why your defeat is cancelled. When the stone rolled away, so did your excuses. So did your chains. So did the voice telling you it's over. Because it's not over. It's just beginning. You can keep living like Friday if you want, but Sunday happened. The grave is empty. The stone is gone. And so is your defeat. Unless you still believe the stone is too heavy for God. Unless you think Jesus is still buried. Unless you reject the power of the resurrection. In that case, prove the tomb isn't empty. Prove your defeat is stronger than his victory. Until then, stop living like he lost, because he didn't, and neither will you.